everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Spiegel Mom Scraps. Today I am using some Happy Winter sequins to create this layout with this giant camera on it. But first I'm going to start with some background work, and so I have this cut file, and it's a plaid cut file, and I'm not sure, I think I got it from the Silhouette store, but I'm not positive where. I'm not 100% sure on it, so don't quote me. If you really want to know, I can look, leave a comment down below. But I cut it out as some heavy cardstock, and then I'm just using it as a stencil. And so I'm using some distress, it's just distress ink in black soot and kind of smushing it through. And now I'm coming in with some Night Moves shimmers and just adding some splatters. The photos I'm using are two of my son with his band. I kind of cut the rest of the band out and I just have him in there. And so I have this giant camera here, and this is a cut file from the cut shop. And what I did is I took out all of the teal colored sequins out of the Happy Winter mix, and I just used them to back the camera. So now I'm popping this camera up on some black foam just so that it lays flat, because the sequins make it kind of dimensional in the center. So adding some more splatters here. And now this layout is actually one that I'm creating for the Monochromatic Madness, I believe, and it's one of the National Scrapbooking Day challenges that are going on until May 31st, so you have until midnight on May 31st to play along. And this one was issued by Kat Benjamin, and she is one of the designers for Pattern Happy, and that is who we kind of paired up with for the National Scrapbooking Day. And so if you are interested in playing along, like I said, you still have time. So you should definitely head on over to the Facebook group, which is 15 Minutes to Scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps, and check out all of the challenges. So here I'm just working on my layers while my background dries a little bit, and I am using the Vicki Boutin die cut pack that I got in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. And I also have some paper there. It's from Crepe Paper, and it's just got music notes on the background. And I apologize for my voice and also for the yawning. I've been trying to get this voiceover done all last night, and it was not working. Like, the videos would not download, so I woke up this morning and decided to do it. So I'm a little tired. So I'm just going around these pieces with some black soot ink and layering them down. And I was doing the 1, 2, 3 as kind of, you know, how the band starts. You know, the drummer taps the sticks together, and, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I was thinking my title was I was gonna do 4 as the next part of my title. But that doesn't end up working out because I don't have the right letter stickers that I wanted for that. So here I have this star. It's like an acrylic star shape, and it is from the Glitter Girl collection, and it's off of one of the paper clips. And I thought that would be perfect to go in the camera piece there. And I'm really loving how this looks. The teal sequins from the Happy Winter collection match so perfectly with the Vicki Boutin. With the Vicki Boutin collection. like they are almost a dead-on match. So it works out super well for a monochromatic layout. I have to pop up this whole photo cluster on some foam so that it matches with the level of the camera. And here I'm going to work on that title I was talking about, which I think is going to be 4, but I don't like the way that looks. So then I try the number 4, and I don't like the way that looks, so it ends up becoming something completely different. And so if you are watching this on Memorial Day weekend, tomorrow is Memorial Day. I hope everybody had a safe and fun weekend. But if you are watching this today, which is Sunday, before Memorial Day, there is a sale going on in the shop. I believe if you use Memorial 18, you can get free shipping in the US until Memorial Day, so tomorrow, the 28th. Otherwise, you can always use my code, which is Daisie15, to get 15% off your next purchase. There is a minimum for the free shipping. I believe it's $20. But if you head to the Instagram account or Facebook, you can get all of the details for that free shipping sale. But it's totally worth it. So I'm going with this You Rock. That's going to be my title. And then I added a black foam arrow. And now I'm going to add, this is my favorite paper for backing stuff up. I absolutely love this paper, and it's my last one, so I'm a little upset about that. It came from Me and My Big Ideas paper stack, and I've used all the rest of them up, and I've been saving this one, but it was the perfect background for this. I'm just going to sprinkle, I'm going to add this frame around my title, and then I'm going to sprinkle a few sequins around, and that's pretty much going to be my layout. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, you have until May 31st at midnight to play along with the challenges for International Scrapbooking Day and to be entered to win a prize. And don't forget to use the Memorial 18 code to get free shipping until Memorial Day. And I'll see you next time. Bye!